What's up, family? Welcome to Dean's Experience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
What's up, family? So for this spaghetti and meat sauce recipe, you're going to need 2 pounds of ground beef, olive oil, your favorite spaghetti sauce. I'm using multicolored peppers, 2 small onions, 5 garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, and Italian seasoning. And you want to season that to taste. And without further ado, family, let's get to creating. Okay, so we're going to take some oil and pour it into our pot of water. This is going to help keep our spaghetti noodles from sticking. We're going to add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt in there just to give the noodles a little bit of flavor. We're going to boil these down and we're going to get to our vegetables. First, we're going to dice up our 5 garlic cloves. All right, let's go. Yes, dice these up real nice. Next are 2 small onions. And remember, garlic and onion are super roots. They help clean the impurities in your food and they also help clean your bloodstream. So keep that in mind. Use abundant amount of garlic, onion, and turmeric. Let me add that one in as well. All right, I'm using 4 ribs of celery. I like to take 2 of them, dice them up in small pieces like this. And then my other 2, I like to just dice them like that, just for bigger pieces, that's all. Let's get to our multicolored peppers. You could just use the traditional green. I like coloring mine. That's optional as well. Yes. Okay, quick facts. Where was spaghetti and meat sauce originated? Bologna. The earliest documented recipe of an Italian meat-based sauce, ragu, served with pasta comes from the late 18th century Imola near Bologna. A recipe for a meat sauce for pasta is specifically described as being Bolognese, appeared in Pellegrino Artisi's cookbook in 1891. Pretty cool. That is pretty cool. All right, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and we're going to melt it down to this. And now we're going to go ahead and saute our vegetables. Yes, this is going to be beautiful. Okay, let's get mixing these in. And we're going to cook these down until they look like this. Yes. Okay, give me a like. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put these to the side and we're going to get to our ground beef. So we're going to brown 2 pounds of ground beef. Until it looks like this, you guys. That's how you brown ground beef. All right. Now that we got this done, we're going to go ahead and use a bigger pot. We're going to add in our ground beef, our sauteed vegetables, and we're going to give this a good mix. Okay, and now this is where you pour in your spaghetti sauce. I'm using ragu meat spaghetti sauce. I like mine to be saucy. Yes. And we're going to give this a nice mix. Look at that. Alright. So at this moment, we're going to add in our seasonings. So first is our Italian seasoning, our garlic powder, onion powder, last but not least, our black pepper. And let's mix this in well. And you guys want to season the taste. Season a little bit at a time. It may look like I'm seasoning a lot, but I'm using a big pot. But season a little bit at a time. All right, let's go ahead and give a taste. Oh yeah. Okay. Now this is optional. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of sugar in mine, just to knock off some of the acidity, and that's optional as well. You don't have to. I like to add a little bit of sugar, or you can add orange juice and so on and so on. Yes, look at your work. You guys did that. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Nice and vegetable-y and meaty. This is going to be beautiful, you guys. I don't know about you, but I love some spaghetti. All right, let's go ahead and mix this up. Okay. All right, let's see what we're working with. Oh yeah, that was beautiful. Thank you guys for being with me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 Deans and to our next food adventure. Peace.